my loves, and out here coming to you with another video, and this video is sponsored by my first wig. Now I'm sure you guys have seen my first wig all over YouTube, and I'm so excited to finally get my hands on one, girl. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside of this cute little box. If you do not have a mannequin stand, they even include a little mannequin stand for you to, you know, style your wig if you want to and everything. Let me just say this: I think that it's absolutely amazing that a company will go over and beyond to make sure that you have every tool that you need to put this wig on, okay? Because whenever you're doing a wig, you literally have to buy everything that you are seeing yourself. They even include an elastic band. It is a very good one, a fitted, you know, nude color cap. This is, I'm reading it so I can make sure I know what it is. This is conditioner, and they also send a little packet of shampoo. Girl, you are literally covered, okay? And it's a really good brand, actually. And this is a cute little edge brush for your edges, girl. But this stuff right here, that flyaway tamer, girl, listen, I'm going to be using that all the time on this channel. So my first wig, thank you, okay? Because when I say that stuff is magical, that is exactly what I mean. Now I'm seeing this for the first time. You know, when I'm opening this up, it has the nice elastic bands on the inside. This wig is pre-plucked and the lace is a pre-bleach. You literally have to do nothing but put it on your head, okay? I absolutely love that. So I'm putting it on. You know, you can see my little 6-shot buckshot. You already know that I'm going natural. Well, growing my hair out, not going natural, but anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on, and after I put it on, which is I just put it on. That's the point. It's like really quick installation process. But as I part through, look at that, it looks like flash, honey. Yes. So what I'm going to do now is style it. I'm gonna give myself a regular side part and then a deep side part, just so you can see. At this point, I am cutting the lace. You guys know how to cut lace and everything. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to put this on. It did not even take me an hour to do this, you guys. So that is absolutely amazing. But my head is super small, so I did add a second elastic band, plus, you know, to, you know, melt the lace in the front. Now in this video, I'm only gonna do the corners. I'm not gonna do the top, and the only reason I'm doing the corners is because my head is kind of sort of small, and you know, I'm not trying to be caught slipping if, you know, the wind blow or something and me and my husband are going somewhere after this. So I'm trying to be cute by any means necessary. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I'm not going to talk you through this video because you don't need me to talk you through this video. It's very, very easy. I really recommend that you guys, if you've never had a wig before, go and order with them, because it literally makes it so easy. I want to be honest again and say that putting on wigs is not something that I enjoy doing. Melting lace and all of that is for the birds, and the birds can have it, okay? But this made it so easy, so easy. The most work that I did was flat ironing, and it flat irons pretty well. This flat iron that I'm using is from EAP Heat. I'll keep telling y'all that I'm gonna try to find my affiliate link with them, but I just always forget. So I'm gonna try to push through and find a link for y'all. But I'm just flat ironing on 375, if I'm not mistaken. The hair straightens very well. It does not need a lot of heat. I am not going for a bone straight look. I just wanted to, you know, I want it to be flowy and stuff. And I'm feeling this bobaliciousness. So I think your girl may be doing a bob indefinitely as my hair grows out. Because my husband, he doesn't mind me wearing weaves, but he just doesn't want them to be long. He likes, you know, if it's gonna be a weave, he don't want it to be 47 inches, you know. So when I came downstairs, he was like, you keep that on, not like that. So I think we got a winner. I love you guys so much. If you have not done so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel, and once you subscribe, make sure you click that bell notification so you are notified every time I post another video. And you know, until my next video, bye girl. Make sure you leave comments below. Let me know what you think about this. And I'm telling you, in my videos, I never really be like, go get it, go get it, go get it. I am saying, if you have never had a wig before, my first wig is your deal, okay? You literally do nothing but buy the wig and go home, watch this video or somebody else's video and put the wig on, girl. Bye, girl.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you.